Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this 12-fold rosette in Affinity Designer. This 12-fold rosette is a flower-like pattern that is made of 12 petals. This rosette is commonly found in Islamic geometric patterns as an ornament in mosques and palaces. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. And we click on Create. And then we make sure that snapping, snap to spread, snap to object bounding boxes, and include bounding box midpoints are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the rosette. So we take the diamond tool, we set the fill to none, we leave the stroke as black, we set the stroke width to 5 points, and here we go to the stroke panel, and we set the join to meter join, and then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the one-to-one proportions, we go ahead and we create a diamond of 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. And then we're going to duplicate and rotate the diamond. So we go here to enable transform origin. We press on enter to bring out the move duplicate panel. We check on duplicate. We set the number of copies to 2 and the rotation angle to 30 degrees. So now we have all the diamonds that we need. And here in the middle, the intersection of the diamonds forms a dodecagon, meaning a polygon with 12 sides. And then we're going to start drawing the petals. So we take the pen tool, we press on Ctrl A to select everything. And here, on the first petal on the right, slightly before its middle, we position its first node. And then we press on Shift to keep it on a straight line. And then on the other side of the dodecagon, we put another node. And then we select everything. We make sure that the node matches the dodecagon. If not, we need to adjust it. So we need to make sure that the end of the line matches the dodecagon. Otherwise, there will be a discrepancy. So we adjust it with the node tool while holding Shift to make sure that it finishes where the dodecagon is. And then we take the move tool. We select the line. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press enter to bring out the move duplicate panel. We check on duplicate, number of copies to 1, and rotation angle to 180 degrees. And then we select both lines. We press on enter again, check on duplicate, and rotation angle to 90 degrees. And then we're going to remove the intersection of the lines in the middle. So we select all 4 lines. We take the shake pillar tool. We set the action to minus and clean up to none. And to remove the intersection of the lines like this. And then we press on enter to bring out the move duplicate panel. We check on duplicate and we set the number of copies to 2 and the rotation angle to 30 degrees, just like we did for the diamonds. And we click on OK. And then there is one more last step. We need to remove the part here that lies after the intersection of the petals, so that here it forms an arrow. So we press on Ctrl A to select everything. We take the shape builder tool, action to minus and clean up to none. And we are going to remove the part here that lies after the intersection of the petals. And as you can see, this forms an arrow. Alright, so now we have completed the figure. You learned how to create a 12-fold rosette in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye!